Hi, my name's Ant, and welcome to the Westermo Training Academy. I'm one of the technical trainers at Westermo based in the UK, and in this short video, I'm going to show you what you will learn on the Certified Engineer Switching course. So let's take a look. The Certified Engineer course is broken down into two modules, switching and routing. On the switching course, our trainers are going to teach you about switching fundamentals and how a switch and a layer 2 network operates, how to use WeConfig to configure your network, how to configure devices via the web and the command line, all about layer 2 redundancy protocols such as FRNT and rapid spanning tree, and how to make your network resilient, how to use link aggregation, what a VLAN is and how tagging works, how to set up your network with alarms and report them using syslog, and lastly, how DHCP can help automatically distribute IP addresses around your network. The course lasts 3 days and is currently run in person. We will provide you with all the equipment needed for training, so all you need to do is bring yourself. Oh, and don't forget, there's an exam at the end where we will test what you have learned in those 3 days. So good luck! We recommend that engineers of this course have a good knowledge of IP and have completed our Introduction to WEOS and Introduction to IP courses. This course will benefit engineers who want to start on the Westermo Academy Certified Engineer Programme and learn more about Layer 2 switch networks. This course dives into how switches are an integral part of any industrial network and how to ensure that your networks are resilient. I hope you found this video helpful in learning more about the switching module on our Westermo Certified Engineer course. Submit your interest on our website, and thanks for watching the video.